All right, here we are at Sierra Vista, but I want to let you know this is going to be one of the homes that will be at Mills Ranch. So one of four. So you walk in here, we have this foyer, this long foyer, and there might be a little few things that are tweaked over there, but this would be the garage entrance. This is the laundry room. Then you come into this massive open concept living room. That's the primary room. We'll go there last. But this is a very large room. This is the formal dining room. I mean, this is a very good size room. As you can see, that's some pretty good size furniture. And then that's a pantry. So we're gonna go this way and then go to the primary room. So you can see this is a nice entryway here. Then we'll go to the front of the house. So you got this front room here. Has a nice sized closet. This is the one off the front. Then you have storage there. Then in another room. This room's a little bit smaller than the other room I just showed you, but it does have a nice walk-in closet as well, so that's very nice. Then over here, and then again, this is a good size room because it's got the two twins. Full bathroom. And now let's go to the primary room. And this is a great size room too as well. Double sinks. Has a shower combo there. Toilet. Walk-in closet. All right, this is Sierra Vista, but this particular model will be at Mills Ranch, but a little different, but pretty much the same. So if you're looking for that type of style, I can show you the homes that are completed that will be over at Mills Ranch since they don't have a model yet. So let me know if you have questions or you want to see it. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye.